Hello, friends. Welcome to Kalsi Estate. My name is Kalsi. I'm a father of a wonderful son, husband of a caring woman. I'm into industry from last 25 years, and I take my job as serving rather than selling. And I love giving plenty of free advice in real estate. तो आज का टॉपिक है दोस्तों सुपर बोनांजा. The code name is Super Bonanza at Kharghar, and this is a joint venture between Metro Group and Satyam Developers. So let's begin with the show. So friends, as I told you, the code name is Super Bonanza, and this project is a joint venture between Metro Group and Satyam Developer at Kharghar, sector number 37. So this is the layout of the plot. When you see over here, there are two wings are there. This is one wing over here, and this is the second wing over here. So this plot is around 2.5 acre plot, and this is located at Kharghar. And when you see over here, this is all the amenities given on the fifth level of the podium parking. So this building is ground plus 4 is the podium parking. Ground plus 4 is the podium parking, and about that 32 is the habitual floor. तो ये दोनों विंग जो रहेगा ये 32 फ्लोर्स का रहेगा. 32 हैबिचुअल फ्लोर है, जिसमें हर एक विंग में, जैसे हर एक फ्लोर में आप देखोगे, इस फ्लोर के ऊपर 8 फ्लैट है और इस फ्लोर के ऊपर 8 फ्लैट है. तो ग्राउंड प्लस 4 इज द पोडियम, फिफ्थ फ्लोर इज द एमिनिटीज, एंड सम एमिनिटीज आर देयर ऑन द ग्राउंड फ्लोर, एंड 32 हैबिचुअल फ्लोर. So these are all the amenities which are given over here. These are all the amenities which are written over here. So this is how the plot is. This plot is around 2.5 acres. So when you see the amenities part, you have Zen garden, yoga room, glass facade gym, juice bar, outdoor gym, open air theater, co-working spaces, cabana, reading nook, banquet by Bishop Design, business center, health center, indoor games, library, steam zone, sauna room, sculpture, digital gaming zone, golf putting greens, kids play area, scribbling ball, then senior citizens sit out, swimming pool, kids pool, party lawn, jogging track, skating zone, cascading water body, infants play area, Zumba studio, community kitchen, spa room, cycling club, laundromat, temple, gardens, skating, outdoor games, plaza sitting, and activity zone. So these are all the amenities which developer is providing in this complex. So Super Bonanza is one of the most luxurious project in Kharghar, and you can see the image. The sample flat has been designed very well. And whatever you see in this image, similar type of qualities you will be getting in the flat also. Then this is the actual view from the tower. When you see there's lots of outside, there is plenty of open space is there. So definitely there is no obstruction of view, and there is plenty of breeze, and of course the cross ventilation for every flat will also be good. So as you know, Kharghar is the most developing area, and it is still developing further. So this is the main road which goes to Panvel and further to Lonavala. And this project is located at Kharghar Dombivali Highway. So it's a very prime location, and ecosystem from here is very close by from this project. So when you see over here, project is located over here. Code name Super Bonanza is located over here. इसका एक्चुअल नाम जो होगा रीजेंट पार्क होगा आगे चलकर, पर अभी जो कोड नेम दिया गया है वो सुपर बोनांजा के नाम से डेवलप कर रहे हैं. और ये सारा जो है इकोसिस्टम है विच इज़ क्लोज बाय टू दिस एरिया. तो अगर यहाँ पर आप देखोगे, यहाँ पर गैजीबो रेस्टोरेंट है, और ये तलोजा रेलवे स्टेशन है, और ये जो मेन हाईवे है ये आगे जाकर पनवेल जाता है. और थोड़ा डिस्टेंस में अगर आप आते हो तो ये सीवुड रोड है जो यहाँ पर घूमकर फिर आगे जाकर इस रोड को कनेक्ट होता है. तो सीवुड और मेन हाईवे के बीच में जितने भी आप बिल्डिंग्स देख रहे हो जो कि यहाँ पर लिखा हुआ है, जैसे ये सारा जो इकोसिस्टम है जो इस कॉम्प्लेक्स के काफ़ी नज़दीक है, जैसे तलोजा रेलवे स्टेशन and proposed Taloja metro station which is at 5 minutes, then Kharghar metro station which is at 10 minutes, Sain Panvel highway 15 minutes, Kharghar railway station is 17 minutes, Navi Mumbai International Airport is 35 minutes, then ISKCON temple is 11 minutes and Kharghar Valley Golf Course is 11 minutes, Central Park is 12 minutes, Utsav Chowk is 14 minutes, Tata Memorial Hospital is 10 minutes, then Om Navjeevan Hospital is 10 minutes, Apollo Hospital is 23 minutes, and Little World Mall is 7 minutes, D-Mart is 10 minutes, and Seawood Ground Central Mall is 25 minutes. So these are all the close by ecosystem which are very close by, and this project is rightly located in center of between Kharghar and Dombivli. So there are lots of ecosystem infrastructure in fact developing in this area. तो सबसे पहला जो है मुंबई ट्रांस हार्बर लिंक which will be the longest sea link which will be coming from Sivri to Navsena which will be connecting to अलीबाग. ये जो हाईवे है जो यहाँ पर जो दिख रहा है ये सिवरी से लेके अलीबाग तक कनेक्ट होगा, और ये होगा कनेक्ट यहाँ पर अलीबाग से, फिर ये न्यू बॉम्बे एयरपोर्ट यहाँ पर कहीं पर है, तो एयरपोर्ट के लिए ये जो ब्रिज है जो एयरपोर्ट के लिए काफ़ी नज़दीक रहेगा, और यहाँ से फिर आगे प्रोजेक्ट के लिए आने के लिए करीबन 10 से 15 मिनट हाईवे से लगेगा. तो ये जो नया इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट आने से जो इन्वेस्टमेंट का जो ग्रोथ होगा इस एरिया में वो काफ़ी ज़्यादा रहेगा, क्योंकि जैसे ये हाईवे जब बन जाता है तो जो रेट साउथ मुंबई का चल रहा है अगर उसका 25% भी ग्रोथ अगर यहाँ पर पकड़ते हैं तो फिर भी अपने आप में वो 4 गुना ज़्यादा रहेगा. तो सिर्फ ये ब्रिज बनने की देरी है. जब ये ब्रिज बन जाता है और एयरपोर्ट जब रेडी हो जाता है तो अपने आप में पूरा एरिया का जो है वो रेट भी बढ़ जाता है. सो इट इज़ वेरी ईजी टू ट्रैवल थ्रू नवी मुंबई मेट्रो स्टेशन विच विल बी द नियरेस्ट मेट्रो स्टेशन टू दिस प्रोजेक्ट. Then there is Virar Alibag corridor which will be crossing from close by to this project and it will end at Alibag. So there is a corridor which is coming up from Virar to Alibag. तो अलीबाग से विरार अगर किसी को ट्रैवल करना है, यहाँ से भी यहाँ पे भी जो लोग रहते हैं सुपर बोनांजा में भी जो लोग रहेंगे उस हाईवे से अगर अलीबाग आना है या तो उस हाईवे से अगर विरार जाना है तो विरार जाना है तो वो ज़्यादा 125 किलोमीटर रहेगा बोनांजा से, 125 या 140 किलोमीटर हो सकता है जो कि आपका पौने 2 घंटे का ड्राइव है. फिर यहाँ पर आप देखोगे एक BKC 2 आ रहा है जो कि 300 एकर्स में है, जो कि अपने आप में बहुत बड़ा कमर्शियल हब है और ये सिडको अप्रूव्ड है. तो ये कमर्शियल हब आने से भी इस प्रोजेक्ट को बेनिफिट मिल सकता है और इस प्रॉपर्टी का दाम जो है वो ऊपर आ जा सकता है. जो लोग एंड यूज़र हैं वो तो अपने लिए देखेंगे खैर, लेकिन जो लोग इन्वेस्टर हैं उनके लिए ये बेनिफिट है कि ये जो BKC 2 जब आएगा और वो 300 एकर्स का प्लॉट होगा तो उससे भी इस प्रोजेक्ट को बेनिफिट मिल सकता है. फिर दूसरा जो है तुर्बे खारगर टनल जब ये बनेगा तो साइन पनवेल हाईवे से जो जब आते हैं टुवर्ड्स खारगर, तो जब ये तुर्बे टनल से जब आएंगे तो ये अपने आप में 30 मिनट का टाइम जो है बचाएगा. तो अब जो टाइम लग रहा है उससे आधे घंटे का टाइम और सेव होगा, और ये कॉरिडोर आने से तुर्बे खारगर टनल आने से अगेन दिस project will get benefit, again this whole area will get benefit to it. So there is lots of coastal road also will be connecting to this area. So one of the coastal road is Spaghetti Complex which is at Khargal, will connect to the upcoming airport via Bilapur. तो ये जो कोस्टल रोड है जो सारे मुंबई और आसपास के सराउंडिंग एरिया से जो कनेक्ट हो रहा है, ये भी एक प्लस पॉइंट है अपने आप में जो सारे प्रोजेक्ट्स को ये बेनिफिट देता है. सो ये मरीना क्लब जो है बहुत जल्दी शुरू हो रहा है मुंबई में, आसपास के सराउंडिंग एरिया में, और जब ये शुरू होगा तो इसी के अंदर रेस्टोरेंट रहेगा, which will be having a floating restaurant and yacht clubs for entertainment. So this is one of the image which it will be a juice room provided in the complex, and this inspiration is taken from SLS Hotel Dubai, and of course very beautifully designed lobby will be there. So this type of lobby entrance you will be getting with double heighted lobby entrance, and very well designed and very elegant and very beautifully designed lobby entrance will be there. And even the landscape, you will see the landscape garden will be something different, and ups and downs will be there in the garden. So you will love walking in this garden because it has kept natural, and these type of landscape will be there in the garden. So you have lots of amenities. In amenities, you have a juice room, you have banquet hall, open theater, organic park, and sky seating, temple, swimming pool. Then you have kids swimming pool. Even for adult swimming pool is there. Kids play area, golf court, table tennis at indoor game. So these are all the amenities you are getting in this complex. So there is a pet park and sitting lounge, juice center, bar lounge, senior citizen sit out, and a large size swimming pool. So here in amenities you see Zen garden, yoga room, glass facade, gym, juice bar, outdoor gym, reflexology path, jacuzzi, sky deck, changing rooms, steam zone, sauna room, Zumba studio, and spa room. So you have fully equipped gym. A very large size gym has been provided in this complex, and very beautiful open image with large deck has been provided in every flat. So there's a huge deck where you get wonderful open view of the nature. And even the sample flat, you see French cut windows has been given. So there's a bright light and good ventilation is there inside the flat. So you have park side flats as well as you have hillside flats also. So everything is available in this complex. Free Wi-Fi is there. And at the same time, you are connected with your family. Now here you see, when you see the sink, the tap, the sanitary CP fittings, the wirings, the tiles, switches. So in CP and sanitary, you have Jaguar or equivalent to Jaguar. In tiles, you have Kajaria, Simpola, Rack, equivalent to, or maybe equivalent to that. In wires, you have Polycab and Vinolex. These are all branded. Switches, you have Legrand and Crabtree. Then all points of Asian and ICI. And hardware and features are of Yale and Dorset or equivalent to that. Windows are of Jindal, make anodized, powder coated aluminum system windows, and kitchen sinks of course of Nerole or Frank. So these are all branded companies developer is providing in this complex. तो काफ़ी लग्जरी क्वालिटी का फ्लैट है और एमिनिटीज़ भी काफ़ी बढ़िया क्वालिटी का दिया हुआ है डेवलपर ने, जो कि प्रोजेक्ट का नाम है सुपर बोनांजा, डेवलप्ड बाय मेट्रो ग्रुप एंड सत्यम डेवलपर. And here the builder is promising that if developer doesn't give the possession in time, then you will get the rent of that particular time. So it will be written in the agreement. So you have to be rest assured about the possession. So Metro Group and Satyam Developer has come together for you to give you a better quality of lifestyle and new technology and new comfort zone, as well as have an exclusive lifestyle. And at the same time, it's more important to them is to deliver assurance. So these are some of the project which developer has already delivered. So few of them are like Fairmount, Chaurang Heights, Tulsi Marble, The Palm, Tulsi Sagar, Tulsi Prerna, Satyam Heritage, Satyam Paradise, Satyam Mayfair, Satyam 17 West, and Satyam Bellagio. So these are the product which developer has already delivered. So this is the actual view from the tower taken from the drone, and this is the actual view which you will be getting it once you buy the flat in this complex at Super Bonanza. And there's a wonderful garden provided in this complex. So there's a medical facilities also close by to this complex. And this is the image as I told you earlier. Kharghar is very well developed area. And there's a golf course, swimming pool, meditation zone, a lawn, a meditation area, meditation zone you can say, a wonderful garden, kids play area, table tennis, fully equipped gym, and VR games for children. So this is the image of the floor plan. We will see one of the image of A wing because B wing is also similar. So when you see over here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 flats are there every floor. So let us see the unit plan. So when you see over here, 408 is the carpet area for 1 BHK, and this is how the entrance is. So here you have living space, dining space, and kitchen, bedroom, and this is attached over here, and this is common washroom over here. So 408, wonderfully designed 1 BHK, and for 408 price is 44 lakhs agreement value. So there are 3 sizes are there. There is 435 also, which will be 48 lakhs agreement value, and there is 550 also. So there is 550. 550 is 2 BHK. So here when you see 2 BHK, there is a foyer entrance, living space, dining space, kitchen, bedroom, and this is common washroom with tri balcony, and this is attached bed to this bedroom over here. So this is 550 2 BHK, which the cost is 61 lakhs, and there is one more 584 with deck. Cost is 75 lakh. These are all agreement values. Stamp duty, registration, society development charges will be all separate on this. And there is one more 640, that is again with deck. So there is one more 640, 604 is also there, which is 75 lakhs, and 640 is 78 lakhs. These are all agreement value, and possession for this building is on August 2026 as per the RERA. So friend, that's all for today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to this channel because sharing is caring. And see you again with one more launch, one more product very soon. Thank you for watching this show. Take care. Bye-bye.